Dear friends from the industry, I wish you all a happy, healthy, safe and peaceful new year. I am glad that ChemTECH's yearly EPC conference will take place despite logistical challenges posed by COVID pandemic. It will be held in digital environment spread over 3 days from February 24 to 26. The Central Advisory Board has put together a series of keynote speeches, panel discussions, and talks on various topics of relevance in the present context. The theme of this year's conference will be Building Sustainable Resilience of EPC Industry and Future Readiness for Growth. I am sure you will find the topics interesting and beneficial. I look forward to meeting with you all at the conference. Please do join me. Thank you.